Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to fix Rockstar Games network error in 2026. If you're getting connection failed, offline mode stuck, or server errors, don't worry, we'll go through the fixes step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is fine. Next, restart your router. Just turn it off for about 10 seconds and turn it back on. This often fixes hidden network issues. Now open the launcher and make sure you are signed into your Rockstar Games account correctly. Sometimes a simple relogin fixes network errors. If the problem continues, disable any VPN or proxy you are using. Rockstar servers often block VPN traffic, which can cause connection failures. Next, check if Rockstar servers are down. Sometimes the issue is not on your side, and you just need to wait until the servers are back online. You should also change your DNS settings to Google DNS or automatic DNS. This can improve connection stability and fix loading issues. Now clear your Rockstar Games Launcher cache and restart the launcher. Corrupted cache files can block network access. Also, make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the launcher. If needed, temporarily disable it or allow Rockstar through settings. And finally, restart your PC after applying all changes to reset your network connection properly. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your Rockstar network error and get you back online again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes like this. I'll see you in the next one.